If your HVAC system's airflow during heating isn't enough, it can seriously mess with your comfort and safety without you even realizing it. Okay, so when the air isn't flowing right, your heater's working harder than it should, and that can cause some real issues. First off, not enough airflow means the heat exchanger gets way hotter than it's supposed to, which can trigger the high limit switch to shut things down to keep you safe. That switch might stop the ignition or electric strip heater, but weirdly enough, the blower fan might still be running, making it feel confusing when your heat's not actually coming through properly. To avoid this, make sure your air filters are clean, because clogged filters are a common culprit for blocked airflow. Also, check if your vents or registers are open and not blocked by furniture or stuff. You'd be surprised how often that happens. Another tip is to schedule regular HVAC maintenance where a pro can check your blower motor and ductwork for leaks or damage that reduce airflow. If your system has a dirty evaporator coil, that could also restrict air circulation, so getting it cleaned helps a ton. And don't ignore strange noises or uneven heating in rooms. They're clues your airflow is off. One of the biggest mistakes people make with HVAC airflow is ignoring dirty filters, which leads to poor heating performance and could trip that high limit switch. Fix it by swapping out filters every 1 to 3 months, depending on use and filter quality. Another common issue is closed or blocked vents. People forget to open them or cover them with stuff, which messes up the whole system's balance. Just keep vents clear and open for smooth airflow. Lastly, skipping regular HVAC tune-ups means you miss leaks or blower problems that sneakily reduce airflow and cause overheating. Get a professional to check your system once a year to keep things running right. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you want trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing with HVAC systems and other home upgrades. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with homeowners who need their skills, making finding work way easier.